compare string is like greater than, less than, equal to, not equal to. By using that you can do that also. Okay, so at first I send the screen. Wait. Yeah, it's now sharing the screen. I hope all you have to see my screen at the chat box if you see my screen. So we'll start the session. Okay, guys. Okay, so in that we have to discuss string. Okay, in the string we have to discuss locally compare. Okay, so next one is like in that whatever you enter in the password, I want to verify by that using regular expression. So how can you do that? Let's see that by the example. Okay, how can you make like a compared to the like a string or whatever you enter the string into the regular expression? So in that, by using that match method, match method, we can do that. Okay, so let's see. In that I have to designing a level form. Okay, so in that we have password level. I increase that. Wait, yeah. I hope all you have to see my screen clearly. Okay, now it's like password. Okay, in that I have to enter input password. Okay, so next one is like button. In that button I have to written submit. Okay, in the button I have to written on click is like mm, match click, match click. Okay, so in that I have to written function. In that is function match click, match click. Okay, so wait. Okay, so in that where written at first we are like access the value whatever you enter in the password. It's like variable password. Okay, so in that I have written a id. In that id name is like pwd. Okay, in that like document dot write. Okay, document dot write. I said not write. It's like document dot get element by id. Get element by id. In that we have to written. In that we are written in like pwd. Okay, pwd. Okay, and whatever value you enter, it will be access that value. Okay, so next one we have written expression in that. Okay, expression like regular expression. This variable is regular expression reg expression. Regular expression I have written like any of that expression like slash. By using slash we can draw like written always in the expression. In that I have written a a z. Okay, and next one we have 4 comma 10. Wait, I'm not oh my okay, it's 4 10. Okay guys, so it regular expression shows that always most you have to enter the alphabet, okay, in the uppercase letter, or the letter is within 4 to 10. Okay, and I want to print the error by a error method. Wait, it's like mm, it's open now. Yeah, so in that we have written a t element. Okay, in that I have id is msg message, error message. Okay, error msg, error message. Okay, so I want to access that one by error variable error. Okay, so in that I have written document dot get element id, and the id name is error message. Okay, so in that I want to print something. Okay, and it matches. So let's see it's working fine or not. Chill now, open its live server. Okay, it's okay. Next we have to return is that like error. In that inner html I have to write something whatever I print in between that, like password password dot matches matty ch password match the regular expression. Okay guys, in that we are like return the message. Okay, like an invalid or an invalid when my password matches the regular expression, I want to print that valid. Otherwise, I want to print invalid. Okay, invalid. Okay, so let's see it's working or not. When I return something, when I click, it's invalid because it's password. I have written that. It's so password. Type password. Yeah, it's type password, and in that we have yeah in that. Okay. So I have to write JOHN. It's invalid. Okay. So if I write something like up to 10 or 4 to 5 letter, it's like H. It's invalid. Okay. I have to write in capital letter JOHN G. It's not valid. Why? Let's see. What is the error we are getting? Smash click in that PWD. Okay. So what is the error in that? Regular expression. error in the document dot get in the id and access in that, and in that we have in a html password dot matches regular expression. Yeah, it's right. What is that error we are facing? Mhm. Okay, so verify password is a message. Okay, expression. Yeah, it's like not required, I think. That's why it's not showing error. So on, let's see. It's Joe one. It's invalid and Joe H O Joe H N. Let's deal. Wait. The source code is that, yeah, it's JS. In that we have, yeah, Meslick. Let's fire up. Okay, Meslick is there. Yeah, it's all is fine, I think. My caches. Okay, I will see you in that last session. Okay, and then next I will show you what is the error in that. So we are not like much spent in that error. I will let you know in that last. Okay, so let's move that another one. Is that I have to create another one. Wait. Mhm. Okay, in that public I have to create an index like a string. Wait, string dot html. Okay, in that I have written string. Okay, so in that we have script file script. Okay, so I type like text JavaScript. It's my type of that. Okay, so in that I have to return. Okay, next one we have to like how can you print that is multiple line. I will show you that one. Okay, so let's see. It's like I want to variable. It's like a in that I have to show you like list one plus list list two in that list three. Okay, okay. I will document dot write in that I am printing a. Okay, we are already see that like how can you print the path by using like slash. It will be like a non-printing non-printable character. That's why it's not printing. In the yesterday session we have to discuss how can you print the path, and today we have to discuss like how can you print that like in new line or in multiple line. Okay, so at first we open that in that live server. It's now open. Okay, let's see. It's not working. Okay, what is the error? Okay, is it any error? Conjure. At least one is not defined. Okay, list one is not defined. It's working fine or not? No, at least one is not defined. Let's use this many error. Okay, list one, list two, list three. Okay, we are like print in that string. That's why it's not printing as a string. It's not assigned. Okay, is the error in that. Okay, let's see. It's working or not. Still not. The list one is not defined still. Okay, what is that? A is a variable in that we have. Okay, we are not calling that function. Na, that's why it shows me error. Function, we are, define the function is f1 or something. Okay, in between the function I have to return that one, and call that function is f1. Let's see, it's written perfect, but not written the like next line. Okay, so in that, what is the issue in that? List one, list two, list three, sn. Okay, I've written the string st as string in that variable string is f1. F1 is calling us now. Okay, document dot write, and in that we have to return is like string. Okay, so it's not printing plus plus. Okay, it's plus now. It's the plus. Okay, in that a is not defined. Yeah, they're defining that one. Okay, let's see string. Yeah, it's perfect, but not printing the next line. What the issue in that? It's okay. Wait, I'll check that one. What is the issue? If I write in that format, I like one, this two, or like three. Yeah, in that format, I have written is not printing still. What the issue? Okay. Always you remember that one. It's like escape sequence character is the like non-printable character like slash. We are defining the path, and like plus sign we are using in that. Okay, I will show that one also in the last. Okay. So before that, we are going to like what is undefined and what is null, and what is like any other like boolean we are discussing. Okay. So before that is that we have string formatting method is there. So string formatting method we can do that by like in the p we have id is para and document dot write. Okay, so in that I have to, sorry, document dot write, not, it's like document dot getting by id. In that para. Okay, so next one we have to define like para dot. Okay, it's fine. And now its font is bold. Okay, bold. In that I have written it's bold. It's bold now. Okay, I have, if I remove that one, it shows me error or not. I think okay, I will remove that one. It's bold. Okay, I will define another like formatting method is like a font color or italic dot italic. Document.html. Okay, it's not fine. This is also error. What is that? Okay, I will do one things is like I have to assign the value in that, whatever value I have to return in that value. Okay, assign to a variable, then I have to access that value. It's like okay. So next we have to access that one, like variable format 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 format. In that we have to star dot like font italic. Let's see it's working or not. Not working. Okay. One method is there. Doing that one also. Like I have to declare variable is that like any of the para, and in that we have to document dot get element by id, get element by id. In that we have to access that is para, and in that we have to dot value or no need to value, but I'm not written in the value in that format. I have inner HTML. I'll do that. Okay, so it's like para dot, okay, it's para dot inner HTML. In that I have to return something like uh, format. Okay, so next is font color. In that I have to return is like red or green, whatever you want. Let's see if it's working fine or not. Calling that or not. I call that one is Farah. Okay, far. I print that one at first. Like variable. In that I have format. Okay, in that I have to print document dot write. It's no need to like define in that, I think, because I have to already mention in that is MS para. Okay, okay, I will do that. Okay, to define again. What is the error? Inner HTML is of null. Okay, inner HTML null. Inner HTML. Cannot set the property of inner HTML. Yeah. It's not working still. Okay, wait. We are checking that one because we are not do that. Press password. Okay, so next one is we have to discuss boolean. Okay, this one is I will show you also. The error we are getting that much, and this one like in that clause character I will show you that one, and like next one we have in that is like what is that? It's like expression, regular expression. We are getting error, and also is that okay. Next we are discuss boolean. I will show you that one. Don't worry. Boolean is that okay? In the boolean, so you know that is boolean is my like a two value is there as true or false. Okay, boolean means is true or false. If the value is true, it returns the value, or it's false. Okay, so boolean type is handle decision making. It handle that true and false. Already I have told you. Okay, javascript verified the true value is 1, and it's like false value with 0. Okay, yeah, we are trying that one. It's okay in that. Let's try. Okay, in that we have written something like prompt. In that I have written like enter a number or something. Okay, so it's working not. I have written the submit link in that, so it's better. Let's click. Yeah, it shows me the prompt. Okay, in that we are entering whatever you enter. So we are declaring a condition if so we're assigning the value is variable in that is a. Okay, so okay, in that we have if a equal to null. If the value is null, we want to define like document dot write like this is the null value. Okay, uh, this is undefined. Not you are not entering the value. You are entering the value. Okay, so next one we have else if a equal is not you have to not enter anything and cancel that one. Document wait document dot write in that you have to enter without value cancel. Okay, so next one we have else in that we have printed that document dot write like dot value. Okay, in that we are printing that value in between that. So like okay, in that we have to print a. without cancelling. Let's print that. It's not printing, I think, because I'm not mentioning. Okay, let's see it's printing or not. I removed that one. All these things. Not string. I think it's what is that. In that we have discussed like form index or HTML. I think. Yeah, index HTML. I have to remove that option like a in that. I have to copy in that and I have to enter like okay. You not entering. You are not entering the value. Okay, I have to click that one. Not entering anything. It's like cancel or okay. Did return anything or not? Not returning anything. Okay, it's you are not entering the value, and in that we are returning welcome.js. Not entering the value. It's not value. Okay, and if you like entering something in that, it's not returning like not printing the value. It's same. Okay, let's check that one. It's a qualify a. Yeah. It's same, but it's not printing. Why it's not printing? A sprint prompt to enter the values. Yeah, wait. Null value. Let's see it's working or not. Oh, it's 5. Yeah, it's fine now. Without value cancel. Okay, and without like null value cancel that one. You are not entering the value. Okay, means I already told you that it's like promote. If you enter something, means if you enter or without like with or without you cancel that one, it will be print like at the undefined value. It's not like any of that you are entering. If you like uh, not getting anything and click OK, it will be told like null. Okay, so if I write in that null, let's see null, and in that we have like no value. Okay, so in that okay, no value. Okay, and it has printed. Okay, when I cancel that one, it's null. Okay, so next one we have to discuss like undefined. I have told you it's like variable a is true. I have told you that in the boolean it's like true and false value is there, and the true verified is the one, and like false verified 0. Okay, I am defining true also. Okay, I want to print that value. Document this variable c. In that I have to a plus b. Okay, it's document dot little id. In that we have to c. Okay, so let's see. Take that one. Not working. Let's see document get element. Oh, sorry, that's right. Take that one. It's two. Means why it's two? Trivial is one and trivial is one. It's one one two. Okay. If I return false, it will be written 1 because 0 plus 1 0. Sorry, 1. Okay, it is the true and false value. Okay, so in that we have to return. Other things is like undefined. What is undefined means if like you have to declare the variable and you are not assigning any variable in between, that means it is variable a. You have to declare that variable, but in that I want to print it. Document, let's see, document dot get element by id. Sorry, right, in that between I want to print a. So when I click that button, it will be undefined because I have to not assigning any value in that variable. That's why it's not defined. Sorry, undefined. So is this question, one question is like, what is the difference between not defining and undefining? Okay, undefining and not defining. So not the undefining, you know that if you're not assigning a value in that, so it's not defined, undefined. And not defining means like any runtime in that like document dot write a, you want to print like, okay, in that is the runtime. If a document dot write not getting any value in that, it will be defining non-defining means non-defining is a reference error. It will be written like when that use the variable but not defining. We are using that variable like a, but it's not defining means it's not defining. Okay, but where we are not assigning a value, we want to print that one at the time it's compiled error is like what is that, it's like undefined. Okay, and null you have to like already see that what is null value. If a variable is declared but the value is expected during the runtime, means uh, if you are already not declared the variable or not assigning the variable and you want to print that one, it's like a null. Okay, so next we are left something like error. So at first we are clear that error, next we have to go to the non-primitive type. Okay, so null, undefining, boolean, and string is the like something is not declare not like we are discussing what is the error in that. Before that is like boolean or like undefining, null or not defining, we are discussing. Okay, so let's see, we have to discuss what is the error in between that. It's match click. Okay, I have to put that in that format. Okay, in that I have to return that. Wait. Copy and paste in that. So I have to return on load time. On there is a event in that I have to verify that. Verify EWD. Okay. So in that we have press that one in the lid. Still it's invalid. Okay. So we are this. Let's see what is the error in that. Here document regular expression is that we are safely okay. Wait, let's see that what is the error in that. So in that, it's like error document dot write. It's right. Okay. Error message. It's valid when the password dot match expression. I think match is not before. Okay, I will return again. It's maybe match. Match is regular expression. Reg expression. String dot match. String a variable name is string. Literal contain the regular expression. Pattern class match is string regular expression that returns array contain the result of that search. Okay, let 1 minute. Hmm. Capital letters. Okay, I will show you other one. It's like wait. Before that, I have to show next line. Okay. Yeah. We are not here. Okay. What is the error? Function verify password, and in that we have variable password document dot get element id, and in that we are access the value and dot value, and in that regular expression it is class is that a z, it's an expression regular expression. So in that regular expression, if I define that one, it's not better. That is variable error like document dot get element by id is like error message, and in that we have error dot inner html. Yeah, it is password dot match expression. If it matches like it's printing valid and it's invalid. Okay, in that we have index.html. In that we have unblur. It's like verify password, right? I think pattern is like a wrong anything. We are copy a pattern from the internet. It's better, I think. Pattern simple regular expression. Wait, simple regular expression. Regular expression. Okay, if I put it in that format, it's working or not? Not working. Okay. Okay, we are copying it. Not in that. It's like wait. Simple regular tutorial in that. Method string that have been followed by the one character get. Okay, in that string comma allow. Okay, in between that I have copy one a like a pattern regular expression. One throw five copies we see. Okay. Like let's a string that is followed by the one character or digit. Copy that one. Maybe it will be in that. or not. Let's see. Delete. Okay, write something in that format. Okay, O H N. Okay, O H N R. It's not valid still. Okay, I copy that one. Okay, like that. Invalid. Okay, it's valid. Not invalid still. Okay, what is that? Wait, I'm showing show you that one. Maybe I create one file in that, like login button. I will show you that one later.
So,
Hello.
sir, remove that again.
Yeah. What is the error? Are you getting any error? Have you verify what is the error in that?
No, sir. Once remove that, in the JavaScript, remove that traffic and driving.
Slash, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. In the regular expression, right?
Yes, sir.
I remove that one. Invalid still. Okay, I will return. My format is like this one. A Z A Z. In that we have to return like 4 to 10. Okay. So let's see. It's like J. Yeah, it's valid now. Okay, okay. It's error. Like we are getting error in that format. Okay. Thank you so much. Who is that? Like, wait.
Yes, sir.
Hey, that's sir. Your name?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, I didn't get in. Can you write in the chat box or what is your name? Okay, so okay, so yeah, it's working fine now. Thank you, okay, so I'm written in that like in that class. That's why it's error, getting error. But in that format also working. I am doing in that my project also in that bias class. But I will show you in the next tomorrow session how can you by using slash how can you do that, because I already do that one by using slash also. But in that like double quotation we can do that like okay. Okay, it's now fine. If I written like a font color, font color, it's like red. That is font. So I have to put in that format. Invalid is like copy that one. Okay, so that's it. When I return something like valid in the red format, or when I return in that is like a number I have written valid. It's Yeah, I'm written anything like, yeah, it's show me error in that format also because I have written like any special character, but it allowing me to enter that. Wait, I'll show you that one. Yeah, it's number. I'm written number. It's okay. Okay, I'm allowing any of the character like A to Z. It's 4 to 10, but it's allowing me. It's 10, but I want to print like any other special character. It's allowing me same, but it's getting error also because we are not uh, like restrict that one like only we have to enter the character the A to Z. Same thing we are getting. Okay, I will show you that one in the next. Okay, how can you use a class by using that? Okay, but Kedasura also like clear the error. We are getting valid, but in that we are if I write like something number, if I click outside, it valid still. But I don't want that because I in the regular expression I have to like return like A to Z. It's like alphabet. Only allow alphabet like character is like 4 to 10. But if I allow like any of the like special character, have you seen that one? It's like special character. It's allowing me. Okay. Keshav, any idea in that? It's like it's allowing me to enter special character also as well.
No, sir, no idea about that.
Okay, okay. I will show you in that next. How can you do that? We are getting same error in that. Okay. So before that, we are trying other one is like how can you print that in the next line? After that, we finish the classes. Okay. So don't.
Sir,
Yeah.
in a regular
Okay, sir.
expression, in regular expression, we use a special character like
Okay, sir. Your voice not clear. Can you told me again?
in regular expression, we mention a special character like or into between.
Yeah, I have written like regular expression is like A to Z is like alphabet, and like length of that like character like string or anything whatever I enter in that it's like 4 to 10. But when I enter like special character, it allowed me to like enter that one. But in that it's not valid, na.
Okay, sir.
So that's why I'm asking. Okay, I will see that one in the next. But before that, I have to show like. Wait, like next line. How can you print the next line? I will try again. Maybe it's working. Maybe. SRC like dot class welcome.js. In that we have written like mine type as type like text by JavaScript. Welcome.js. In that we have written like a wait. Mm, yeah, that's function. In that we have app2. Okay, in that I have variable str whatever written in that and line one. In next line I have to define like line two, and in that next line we have to print line three. So next one we have line four. Okay, so done. I want to print that one. Document dot write. In between that it's str. Let's see it's working or not. Yeah, I have to open that one in that server. Yeah, I'm calling that or not. Let's see. Wait. It's step 2. I have to calling that one. Okay. It's Sam. Okay. It's like printing the same line. It's taking like a concatenation, taking a concatenation, but it allowing to print the multiple line. I will to show you next line, next tomorrow session also. That how can you print the match option using the match and that one. So I hope all these like string method are clear, and we are left this one like a match method, and how can you print that like in that multiple line we are left that one. So I will show you that one. Any of that we are getting any error in that? Two error we are getting like as multiple line and met method, right? Only two. Any error? I don't know. Please, if you know that any error we are getting, please let in the chat box. So in the tomorrow session, I will discuss that one. Case of we are getting two error, right? Is that multiple line and method, right? Any other error we are getting?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, no, yeah, yes. Hello,
Maybe.
Kesh.
Ah, sir, coming.
Yeah, your voice not clear. You can write me in the chat box so I will understand. Is that two error we are getting or three error we are getting? Because in the tomorrow session we had to discuss like what is the error we are getting and how can you solve that one. So it's better. It's two error. Okay. So always you noted down. It's like we are getting two error and we are discussing two error in that. And before that, I have to like on primitive non-primitive. I will overview of that non-primitive type. Like in a non-primitive type, we have three. It's our array, object, and regular expression. And array means you know that it's like a array is using also to burden like a one variable. In the one variable, we are assigning the multiple value. Okay, so like array allowing all these value, you can enter like a boolean value or any like float or like string or any integer value, double value, whatever you want. In that multiple value you can store in the object. Okay, so in that object we have discussed like how can you extract from that and how can you push the some value by using like a dynamically, how can you push that value in that array, and how can you sort a string from that. It's like a array. In that we have multiple like student name is there. In that how can you find that one we have to discuss in the tomorrow session. After that, before that, we are discussing the two error, what how like how can you solve that one and what are the error we are getting in the today's session. Okay, I hope you are clear in the boolean and on defining and not defining and all this like string like double quotation, single quotation, and dextic, and like locally compare like compared to the two string, and slice method. We have to discuss like how can you extract from a word from a sentence. How can you like a char character is like a character you have to find out from that like using char 8. Okay, and next one we have discussed like what is that slice method we have to discuss, and how can you print that one. Okay, that's it. Okay, we have to discuss. So any of the doubt be extra doubt in that, so you can ask me. Okay, so in the tomorrow we are to discuss the error, and also we are to discuss non-primitive type. Okay. Okay, so today I have to assigning assignment. I hope all you have to complete the assignment. If you are getting any error in that like difficulty, you can message me on the WhatsApp. Okay, DM me. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am, Suji ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Attendance ले लिया.
Ha, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, all.
Okay, guys, have a good day. Bye.